Well, so we got done today. Yeah, I think I forgot to push record. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we probably won't be working on the door pillar or the door. Reason being is I ordered a door, or ordered everything with Dennis Carpenter. I got a passenger side fender, or the right side fender. I got a new set of hinges and a set of two sets of fender bolts. The fender bolts I bought are the stainless steel kind. I thought that'd look nicer. And the hinges I bought are the quick release stainless steel. I'm debating on whether or not to get those, because I mean, they're quite expensive, but I got them because I wanted the option to take the door off relatively quickly without having to take the hinge off completely from either the pillar or the door. And that way it's be easier to set back in alignment once it's there, is the way I look at it. So we got those on the way. I think total it come to just a little over $600. That's my single biggest purchase on the Bronco so far, as in out of my own pocket. The pans and the inner rocker, outer rocker, all that and the kick panels came as a gift slash, not my personal bank account, but my family's account. So this is the biggest single purchase I ever made for the Bronco. But that being said, I'm not sure when they'll get here. Haven't got any confirmation that they shipped yet. I bought them last night, so it may be a couple days. So my thoughts are to keep coming in here and getting as much of this knocked down as I can. Need to clean it up. So we'll probably start on this side fender today. Probably gonna knock those studs out, because I'm not gonna use the jack. We'll probably weld up some holes. Might try and weld up this hole today, get it ground down, and maybe that one too. Need to get them knocked down and flattened out. But I'm gonna keep these. I think these go to something. Correct me if I'm wrong. I want to say that like the overflow reservoir was here. Or maybe on the other side. I can't remember, it's been so long ago. But I know I don't need this big hole here, and probably this hole. And once we get rid of these, we'll have to plug these up, because then we get the aftermarket brake booster, and it sets kind of over this way. So we'll have to get rid of this and this bracket here. That's where the jack went. If I get a jack, I'll probably get one that will fit somewhere inconspicuous in the bed. But if y'all haven't watched Jason on Jason and Joni Builds, he has a pretty neat idea. He's not going to use this for his air conditioner or anything like that. So he's going to build a box with a lid for tools and such. And I may have to steal his idea, because I really like that. And I probably won't be using this either, since if I do get heat in there, it's going to be aftermarket, like the vintage air type thing. So probably don't need this big old box here. And with that being said too, may not need this hole here either. So you may end up patching this in. I don't remember any water getting through when I was driving, but there's always that possibility. Anyways, at least for this video, we're gonna concentrate on getting paint off this tub, maybe doing a little welding, and getting it ready for paint, because I like to paint that area over there as well. And once we get the hinges in, I feel more comfortable about bolting it up and getting it to set right, and moving the pillar where it needs to be in order to get my gaps. I am probably gonna steal the idea. I forgot who mentioned it, but for body shims, getting some washers and cutting a slot in it, so I know how to take the body mount out every time to put a shim in. Just loosen it up and lift up a little bit. That way I can get my top gaps where I need them, and I really don't have to shim the hinges too much, but I may have to buy some shims for that as well. Anyways, enough talking. I feel like I've been rambling on for a while, but let's start on this tub here. I think I'm going to start here, knock that off, maybe try to weld a piece of metal in there and get these two holes filled, and then we'll start stripping the paint. Well, so we got done today. I think I forgot to push record while I was doing this, but we got this hole welded up and this hole welded up. We got some of it ground back down. That's basically all I did. Man. Can't believe I did that. But you can tell it's kind of not great, but a little bit of filler will help that quite a bit. Like I said before, I'm going to take these off and fill those in, fill these holes back here in, take this thing off, fill those in, so we'll have a little bit more welding to do on this side. Probably a short video today, really short. Anyway, sorry about that. I went back to my camera and tried to see if I captured anything, and I guess I just didn't hit record. Got too excited. Next time I'm going to pull the hood from the barn back there and get it in here, as well as the passenger side door that we have out there. That way we can get the latch off it. And I do believe I have another door. Yeah, have another door over there. So we may put the latch on it and kind of get it up here like we have the driver's side. And that way when the hinges come in, we can bolt the hinges on and kind of get our door fitment where it needs to be. And then we can start adjusting stuff. But until then, I'm going to come back in the engine compartment and just grind and clean as best I can. I think I can get in there with my little angle grinder and get it relatively nice. But sorry again about the video today. I don't know what happened. This is my my blunder. Now and I'll make sure it's recording before I do anything. But yeah, we just plugged that hole, plugged a couple holes. It went pretty easy. Had to do a little bit of grinding, but that's normal with my welding. So do like how it's looking. Like it a lot better without them big holes in there. But anyways, like I said, we'll get back on a straight 6 once I get some parts in for it. And once we get the shipping date when I know it'll be here, then I kind of plan my videos a little bit better. But yeah, hopefully I didn't make a bad decision in getting those quick release hinges. But I've always wanted them for this Bronco, and I had the money, so I might as well get what I want. Anyways, thank you for watching this short video. Like I said, it irritates me. Anyways, thanks again, and see you next time.